Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another very interesting topic of Oracle Apex, that is ComboBox. Maybe you have already used it. If not, then you will find it very interesting and it will have certain properties or features which will really attract you to use in your next coming development or page development. This is a page item, uh, just like LOV, list of value, but it has certain additional feature, and it was introduced in 23.2, I believe. Oracle Apex version 23.2. So if your version is older than this, you will not find it, but in the latest version this is available. So let's try to use it and learn how and where you can use it, and you should use it or not. That is something you can decide, right? Any code in this video, I will share the link in the description so you can find it over there. Nothing to worry, because there will be certain PL SQL as well. Right. So let's move. Here is a one page I have created just to demonstrate, or we will have testing. So if you see, it has same emp columns, and instead of department number, I changed it to department list. This might be not a suitable example to have multiple departments of an employee, but I just wanted to show you because employee and debt table is with everyone. So I just use the same one. I change a bit in the emp table. I will show you in a while, because I removed that depth number, because in depth number you can't have some sort of concatenation. You can have only single department, right? Yes, you can use that one as well. Why you can use that one, or why this combo box is having something additional which other LOVs are not having it. That is, for example, when you will find a list. So just imagine, let's say, for example, a department is not there. Sorry. For example, I need marketing department and it is not yet defined, right? Now, one way is to go to the departments and define this and that. So what I will do, I will directly type marketing here. Just tab or enter, and if you see here, it is there in the this manual. I will explain this field as well. So marketing is added in the combo box, and now let me save it. Marketing is not there, right? So if you see here, I just created this one. Now there are four, and it is column separated. You can have your own character to separate, but this is how it is separated. So this 400, if you see here, marketing is created in the department tables. You can have skills table, you can have some categories table, whatsoever. I mean, this is some sort of just to show you an example. So see here, marketing created, right? So let me see now if it will it retrieve or not. See, marketing is there. Now, for example, I don't want this and this, right? And save. See here, two are there. So this functionality is only there in combo box, in simple words, right? Okay. Now let me show you about combo box. This is employee form. In this, I have created this department list. So let me show you this employee table as well. What kind of changes I did. The standard table. I removed depth number because I wanted to show you this delimited string or multiple values. So this is the department list. I removed department number, and this I created as a varchar. If you want to use single department number, yes, you can use it. And if let's say department number is already not there, you will just enter and save, and it will create, right? So just to show this, I created like this, right? This one, this column. You can have your own table. It is up to you, right? Okay. This is department list combo box. So where is the combo box? It is at fourth number after. We are discussing these page items one by one. Maybe sequence is uh, up and down, but yes, we have covered few and we will be covering more as well. And this is the combo box. In combo box, you have this label like any other page item. From here, things are a bit different. Multi-selection. What is multi-selection? Now let me show you multi-selection. I'll come here. This is called multi-selection. If you see here, I can select multiple, right? And when I will click, it will be there. Okay. Now, if I will add anything new here, that will be added in this field. Now, this is the trick, right? I will show you how it is there, but if I will add, let's say, for example, which department is not there, finance, right? So if you see here on the top, I have 5 other departments as well. So if I will submit or enter, only in this field, finance got added, right? Not other 5, because other 5s are already there in the table, right? Okay, now coming back to the properties. So this is multi-selection, maximum value in list, fetch on search. These are searching if you want to search. And then you have manual entries item. This is that page item, this one. So manual entries, whatever you will enter manually, those will be added in this page item. This is text. Sorry, this one. Simple, see, text field. That's it. Nothing in this. You can set its size as per your data, but yes, this is where we are selecting. So any new manual entry will be added here. Later we will see how we can go to a department table or any table which is a lookup table. Okay, coming down, match type contains. These are different start with and all those. Case sensitive, no. Minimum characters, okay. Multiple values. Delimited list, and this is our character colon. This is not semicolon, colon, right? With shift when you will press, right? This no, and you can have just an array as well. It's up to you, right? You can have your comma separated or whatever the character you like or you want, or it is not there in your existing data, then you can use that. And all other properties are same like text field, so I'm not going to explain again. Yes, shared components, list of values, same like I will show you. Let me show you this. Yes. Let me tell you, let's say for example, see this is plain list, right? Because since I'm going there and the list of values, I wanted to show you something good there. You might be using it. So this is simple department table. Return as department number, display as department name. By the way, you can have more columns to be displayed as well. It's not only you can have single column, so you can add more columns as well. It will show you all those columns. Sorry. Okay, here there is a setting group. I'm going to group using location, and also you can have icon as well. So if your data are in the table or in the view, you have icon, you can display. Since I don't have, so it is not there. But now I have selected group as a location. So where there is a location, we will see what kind of changes will be there. See now, so it is having now grouping: Chicago, sales, Dallas, like this. Okay. My sum data is not having any group, so it is not showing over here, right? So this grouping you can also introduce in your combo box. This was something I wanted to share. Now let's go back. Okay, multi-selection of. Sometimes when you first time assign or create this, it might give some error that okay, if multi-selection is on and this multiple value is off. But yes, you can one or two times change the values, then it will accept. Let me do like this, right? So now multiple value is no, and our multiple selection is also off, right? Let me go there. Okay. See, now multiple selection is no more there, right? So it is only selection. Boston is the group. I'm not able. So in order to select any other, I will first uncheck. So you cannot select this parent, okay? Only child, right? Like this. Okay, now let me switch it on multiple selection. So for multiple selection, this should also be on, right? Let us try. So it's saying multi-selection must be disabled when type of multiple set is no. So I am going to make it like this, right? Now both are on. Let's see. See, this is what I was telling you. So this is multiple values. This is multiple selection, right? So still this error is there. Let's see. See what it says. Multiple selection must be disabled. Type of values is set to no. Baba, it is not set to no. Okay. What I will do now, let me switch it off. Now this I'm first changing this one. Might be Oracle Apex team can address this issue as well, because this is my, if I'm not wrong, which version is this? This is 24.2.8. Okay, now I am going to change this to multi-selection. See, this is this was the problem I wanted to show. Maybe I don't know, it's a sequence like this or it's a bug or what, but yes. So first I made it this change, then multiple selection, because multiple selection need this, and then you need this manual entries item if you want to allow users to add more values. Okay, now if values are there, for example, on this screen, what to do with those values? Now here there is a process I have created, for which code I will share on the link ERPstuff.com. So first we are splitting the string using this splitter. And then we are checking the existing departments if it is already there or not there, because on duplication, since on department table or on department name, there is no unique key or primary key, so there was no duplication. So I had to use this SQL to check. But you can, yes, you can have that exception when duplicate. So there are different logics you can handle it, right? So first we are checking this one. Doesn't exist. So if department is not there, it will insert in the department table. Then here we are concatenating, because we have to concatenate as well, right? Existing value plus new values, and it will return the department number as well. If you see here, when it will insert, it will return the value assigned to that department, or whatever the table is, skills, categories, I don't know what you can define, are tags, flags, and so on. Then here it is getting concatenated. Then we are saying append new department number to existing, right? Because we will have existing as well, in addition to new, the existing one. So we are appending those as well. And at the end, you can commit, or you can just keep it like this. So it will commit as a submission of the page, right? Not as a separate. And see here, then we are assigning to department list, right? This is the existing values, because we have to check those as well, or we have to consider those as well. So this code I am going to share. Let me show you the link. Okay, here. Here you have many more scripts. Okay, new topic. Let me show you. I will add it now. Control C, and let us do like this. UMBO combo box, combo box code, right? I will maybe update a little bit more. So this link will be there under the video. So you can just open on this one. There are so many other topics as well here. You can have a look, right? Sorry. So this is, you can have this parent child or grouping, or you can have new values. You can, and okay, one more thing. You might be thinking that, let's say, for example, if user are selecting here or adding new values, why it is showing. So you need to do this. You can save, come there, this one, right? So you can hide as well, hidden, but this value protected should be off. Otherwise it will give you error, because hidden column, if when you will change any values, it will give error that it is protected. So value protected should be no, and save. Right, let us try one. Refresh, counting. What I should add? I don't know which department I need to add. ITD, I will put it ITD. Right, see, it is there. So I can't see now field, right? A manual. So there are two now. 410, 410 ITD. So it got created. Now it is hidden. Same way, ITD, right? So this feature is there in your ComboBox. Please try and share your feedback as well. Right. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.